right, everybody, welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal here, Natural Transplants in the DC office, and we are excited. We have special guest Gina today, all the way coming in from New York, right?
Yes.
All right, welcome. Thank you for doing this for everybody. I know a lot of people, it helps them, and they want to give back and help others. So we appreciate you doing this and sharing your story. That being said, what is your story? Share us what brings you to us, how you found us, and what you're trying to get out of doing this today.
I did a lot of research online.
Yeah.
I looked at
a lot of stalking.
a lot of stalking, a lot of videos.
Right.
I actually wound up calling your Florida office, and they put me over here in DC.
Cool. Nice.
I'm going to get, as you can see, I have so much hair
You
and
do.
no hair here.
I know.
So I would like to fill some of that in.
Okay.
So I'm trusting you today.
Awesome. Well, we so much appreciate your trust and being part of your journey. I'm just going to zoom in here just so we can see. And you have incredible hair to work with. This is pretty more of a consistent for the genetic pattern. You see a lot of guys and women have this pattern as well too. Less so traction, although it could be a mixture of the two. But you have tremendous hair. I do anticipate you will get very good results. So we'll draw it all out, and then we'll come back and check in with you in a few.
Awesome.
Sound good?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, we are back with Gina. We drew the line. We're both happy with the hairline. I think it looks nice and natural. We did add a little subtle widow's peak right in the middle. It was there before. She likes it, but not too prominent. So a nice little subtle widow's peak. And we're going to go about 3/4 of the way down, probably stop somewhere around there on both sides. We don't want to get down into where it's too thick. And we got a couple Valium on board, starting to kick in a little bit. Feeling a little more comfortable? Awesome.
Yes.
All right. So we'll check in with you a little bit later. Sound good?
Sounds very good.
All right, Gina, how you feel?
Great.
Good. You got a big smile on your face?
Yes.
Yeah. You having any pain at all?
No.
Good.
I feel
Excellent.
good.
Everything's going great. We have about, 20 more minutes to go, 25 minutes, and then we'll be done.
All right.
All right. So we'll see you at the end. All right. We are back with Gina. Gina, congrats. You did it.
Yes.
How was today? You
Today
were
was
super
awesome.
nervous on the way in, spilled some water, shaking, and you look really relaxed and happy now. So tell us how the day went.
It went wonderful. Everybody was great, and the service was great. I watched TV. I had some snacks.
We watched about 12 episodes of The Mole. We still don't know who the mole is, though. We still don't know.
But I had a great experience.
Good.
I mean, I would do it again.
Awesome.
It is, awesome.
Good. We had fun. It was great.
Yeah.
I'm super happy with the line. I'm going to sort of zoom in here.
Okay.
I think it's going to look really nice on it. We really packed it in tight.
Nice.
All over the place.
I'm excited. I am excited.
Great hair for this, so I'm super pumped. Anything you wish you would tell yourself a year ago, or if someone's out there thinking about it, what would you recommend?
Do not wait so long.
Yeah.
Get it done.
I felt the same way for me too.
Yes.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for doing this. Hopefully it inspires someone out there. Hopefully we'll see you in a year and we'll see some amazing results.
Yes.
Awesome. Thanks,
awesome.
Gina.
Thanks.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.